Put your hands up.
Whoops. Get it.
That's one turn. Got it.
Now, got it. Right. Now throw it to her. Woo.
It's your turn, Mom. Okay. Wait, Mama.
We'll throw it to Shooter. Shooter really wants to play, okay?
Mama. Okay, play off for it. For me,
What are you doing? Sit up and catch it. Stand up and throw the ball again.
No, baby.
Hey, Shooter, stand up and throw the ball. Y'all stand up. Stand up.
Okay, well, move back. So, now.
She wants you to move back. She wants you to move back so she can throw it to you. Stand up and catch it.
What will you play me this ball?
Well, he plays how he wants to. He's 2.
Hey, Baba. You gonna play basketball? Yeah.
Bounce it to him.
Go. No, Baba. You play all 4.
Get up, Shooter.
No.
Get up and catch it.
No.
No, why?
No.
Well, throw it to me, Ellie. I'll stand up. Come on. Throw it. Woo! See, you got to stand up and catch it like this. Woo!
Play more.
Okay. Come on. Stand up and catch it. You ready?
You for me?
Now throw it to Ellie. Okay. Woo! Me. Uh-oh.
Put your camera down.
Put my camera down? Why?